So I'm going to switch and show interactively here just an overview of how we use this tool called Fathom. Really simple here. We're going to spend 1.1 million for the equipment. It's going to come out of cash. We also have some other non-capitalized expenses that I'm showing for the sake of illustration. There can be some other expenses that we're not going to capitalize. But the main point is we're going to impact cash. We're going to depreciate that equipment over time. On a book basis, I'm using straight line, so the amount is literally the same every month. And then we're seeing, well, what's the impact on income tax and this accrual, this tax accrual based on the net in and out on the income statement. That's what's happening month by month. Key point here is we're not seeing the entire P&L. We're just seeing what needs to get impacted if we buy that piece of equipment. Additionally, I can build different scenarios that have different assumptions for my what ifs. And by that I mean if I click on tax basis, the same forecast is recalculated, but it's taking, instead of the book depreciation, it's using the standard baseline book depreciation. So the only thing that's changing is the depreciation amount, the tax amount, and my cash. And there's not much of a difference really between book versus traditional tax depreciation. It's not identical, but it's not that much of a difference. In contrast, if I click the bonus depreciation, there's a massive difference. And specifically, the depreciation is huge because we're taking it immediately, and then the positive tax impact, the reduction of tax because of it, and then finally, the impact on cash is very substantial between book and versus this bonus depreciation. So that's how we use a tool like this. Again, it's refreshing itself automatically after each month closes. We're getting actuals most up to date. We can go in and tweak some of our baseline assumptions, and then we can also tweak our timing of possible, what if we do this, what if we do that? And again, to see this distinction here between scenario A, B, and C, and again, this really black and white difference based on the new incentives in the tax bill.